Hello, my name is Ashley Blake, and today I present work conducted with Professor Eva Dabrowska and Dr. Nick Riches. In our study, we look at cognitive predictors of children's language acquisition, with a particular focus on children with developmental language disorder, otherwise known as DLD. So DLD is a neurodevelopmental condition which affects the ability to learn, understand, and use spoken language. And while we know that children with DLD have strengths and difficulties in both language and cognition, we don't yet have a comprehensive understanding as to how these abilities are interconnected or how specific cognitive factors work together to support language development in children with DLD. In our study, we look at specific cognitive processes of nonverbal intelligence, working memory, implicit statistical learning, and the speed of automatization. The speed of automatization is a particular focus of our study, where we look at cognitive skill learning and proceduralization. And in order to measure this, we used the Tower of Hanoi puzzle. Our study data collection took place during the COVID pandemic, so we conducted all our research sessions online, and I was present on Zoom to guide children through each of the tasks. Moving over to our results, what did we find? You will see through our summary statistics that we had significant differences between both groups in nearly all our language measures and nearly all our cognitive measures. We measured the speed of automatization through the coefficient of variation, which is calculated by dividing the standard deviations by the mean number of moves on the Tower of Hanoi puzzle. And what you will find is that automatized behavior will show a decrease in the coefficient of variation. We used logistic regression to investigate group membership. So we coded language typical children as 0 and children with DLD as 1. And what you will see if you look at the table provided is that you'll see the strongest predictors of group membership were nonverbal intelligence, working memory, and then the speed of automatization. So children with DLD were much slower to automatize a task. The Tower of Hanoi puzzle task. We also looked at the predictive ability of our model by conducting a ROC curve, which can be seen on our poster. And the area under the curve was 0.92, which shows excellent predictive properties of our model. So to conclude, we found that nonverbal intelligence is the strongest predictor of language outcomes in our sample, followed by working memory and the speed of automatization. And in particular, the speed of automatization was a particular difficulty for children with DLD. And what we suggest is that language difficulties in children with DLD may be additive, caused by a combination of cognitive factors. Thank you very much for listening, and please do email me with any questions. Thank you.